What about anybody getting divorced? I'm trying to get this sound together, guys. My name is Joe King. I'm coming to you all the way from Hallsville, Texas. Check. Don't be mistaken, I do sing about Oklahoma some time to time, right? But I'm totally right here from Texas, baby. Right here from Texas.
Check one, check one. Mic check one. Good. Yeah, I can hear myself.
Y'all want to go to Chicago? Fellas, y'all want to go to Chicago? Huh? We're just gonna go around the damn globe tonight. Here we go.